Windows. No, not that one. I got these to install plus the big one behind me too. And I believe many more will arrive soon. However, this one is already resetted recently and it's ready and available for me to create an installation USB stick. Wait, I said resetted. So if you don't need to install a fresh new Windows, go out and check this video. Oh, and I forgot, the very same video will also teach you how to block bad websites. That's a bonus. If you don't have a key, don't worry, they're not expensive, and if you already own Windows 10, you're good to go. That means you already have a valid license, assuming you're legit. Be legit. Don't be a pirate, that belongs in the past. Be an astronaut today. Back to tutorial. And this one applies both to Windows 10 and 11. Let's see it step by step. But before you proceed, take note, Windows 11 officially needs FTPM 2.0 activated on your BIOS. And you also need a Zen Plus CPU for later. On the Intel side, you will need at least an 8th gen processor. Are you ready? Open your favorite browser and hit Google with the following. Download Windows 10 or 11 and enter. At Microsoft page, you will find a selection of operating systems. Or if you click in the right URL, you'll land it in the right page, like this. Search for Create Windows 10 Installation Media and download now. Save. For 11, it's pretty much the same. Head out to your Downloads folder and click on the recently saved file and run as admin. It will take a while, but eventually you will be presented with the license agreement. Read it or not, but you have to accept it. Create installation media and remove the recommended options if you want to change something like language or architecture. In the latest option you will have the chance to choose both, but then you will need a bigger USB drive. Now click Next. Choose USB flash drive and Next. Insert the USB and choose a location. If it does not appear, try exiting the program, removing the USB and trying again. I know, it takes time, but that's it. After all this, it will start downloading the image. So, you guessed it, internet connection is required. The process will take some time, depending on your internet speed, so it varies from a coffee to a meal. Don't worry, do other stuff if you wish, because it's all autopilot from now on. And done! Remove the USB from your computer and insert it on the poor one that needs salvaging. Ready for part 2? Fight! I hope it was simple enough, as it may prove handy in the future, and count me in to make this tutorial simple. I'm just glad to help, and you know what? You can help me too. Put a like, a dislike, share the video, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.